Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the volume of different applications on your computer on an individual program level modification or adjustment. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, I'm going to go open up a few different web browsers here just to give you guys an idea of what I'm referring to. So now that I've opened up different applications, we're going to go ahead and adjust them depending on which application we are using. So in order to do that, open up the start menu, type, let me just minimize or close out of those browser windows there. And you want to go, like I said, open up the start menu, type in sound mixer. Best match, should come back with sound mixer options. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you should be able to adjust them on an app specific basis. So if I had videos playing in Edge or Google Chrome, they should appear down here too. But you can see Mozilla Firefox does show up here. And again, like I said, you can adjust it up or down depending on how you want to adjust it. So again, very straightforward process, guys. And then you just close out of here, and that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.